Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this hairstyle on your natural hair. I just needed something to do with my hair. It was a little old and I just wanted to spice it up just a little bit. It's really simple. It's just two little buns and then the rest is out. So if you want to see how I got this look, then definitely keep watching. Okay guys, so starting off with this 7-day-old wash and go. It's just not looking as bomb as it used to, and I want to just, make it look good again. So if you guys see me looking this way, it's because my mirror's right here, so don't think I'm like a weirdo. So I'm going to first start by sectioning my hair into sections that I can work with a little easier. I always like to use scrunchies on my hair because they're a lot softer and they don't break my hair off as much as like normal ponytail holders do. So I just have a nice ponytail. And then I'm going to section this side up as well. So if you watch any of my previous videos, you know that I like to moisturize my scalp with my two oils. I use the Shea Moisture 100% Black Castor Oil and the Shea Moisture Grow and Restore Serum. And these two oils I just really like to use on my trouble spots and throughout my whole entire head to promote growth and just make sure that everything is looking bomb. Because on 7-day-old hair, my scalp is definitely dry. I haven't put any oils in it since the day I did my wash and go. So yeah, that's always my first step whenever I'm doing any type of bun, high bun, half up, half down, anything like that. Okay, so now that my scalp is moisturized, I'm going to move on to the product that I'm going to be using for today, and that is the Cantu Grow Strong Strengthening Treatment. I talked about this product in my Cantu review haul. I didn't actually use it, so I'm actually going to be using this for the first time, so I think I'm going to like it. I just need something to give my hair a little bit of moisture and yeah, nothing too crazy. For this style, I'm not going to put that much water because I don't want my curls to revert back. I want them to be as voluminous, I want my poofs to look as big as possible, even though I'm only working with a small amount of hair, if that makes sense. So I'm going to start with my water, literally just a little bit. And only on the front section so that my slick back looks nice. Then I'm going to take a little bit of product, like a nickel-sized amount. It's probably the only time I'll ever use a nickel-sized amount of product. Like ever. Just distributing it throughout the perimeter of my hair. And right off the bat, it's super soft, and moisturizing. Ooh, I really like the way that feels. Okay, so moving on to my gel product that's gonna help me keep some hold. I'm gonna be using my favorite, got to be, I know I've talked about this a lot in the last couple videos, but I really like it and I highly recommend it for everybody to try it. So yes, I'll be using this. After I get everything slick like I want it, I'm gonna put this into a ponytail kind of on the top of my head. Okay, now that my ponytail's made, I'm going to further slick down my edges how I want them. Okay, so using a couple bobby pins, I'm going to secure this ponytail how I want it to make a little bun. So this is my little bun. It's cute. It's small, but it's cute. Okay, so I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I know this is personal preference, but I like to take out two side pieces and just, I don't know, have them curl. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of that Cantu product and put it on my little side pieces, just so that it curls. I just think that is so cute. Look at that. Okay, so for the final step, I'm literally just going to take out the rest of my hair and just let it be out. And yeah, this is the final result. It's just another way to just spice up your simple wash and go And it'll give you a couple more days because now the front is tamed and the back can just be a little crazy because I mean, whatever. So if you guys like this video, definitely leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!